What's going on, guys? Super excited for today's video because we're back with more mods on the Trail Boss. So for anyone that hasn't been following along, this is my father-in-law's 2020 Trail Boss, and I've secretly acquired it while he's gone on vacation this week, and we're throwing some Christmas mods on it to surprise him with when he gets back home. So in the last video, we did some tint on the corner markers, cleaned the headlights up super good, did some LEDs, and the biggest thing was these smoked Recon taillights. Got the blackout look looking awesome, but there's one big thing on the rear that still stands out. That being the HDMI exhaust tips. They look absolutely terrible. Like most people's trucks, they get discolored, they get all the black soot and stuff on them, they're hard to clean. You just got to replace these things. So I went and got some 4-inch black quad tips. Should sound better, it's definitely going to look a lot better. So I got to get those things off, and then hopefully this afternoon we're going to be headed to the exhaust shop to get those welded in. Well, after what felt like an eternity, and now that both of my forearms are absolutely smoked, we got the exhaust tips off. It's a super annoying design. That one's easy to get, but then these two are super hard because they're inside the bumper behind some bars. And unless you have a working tool, unlike myself, like this, that you can slip in there and get them off, you're gonna be spending probably the next hour doing tiny little ratchets, loosening those screws up to get it off. It's doable, but dadgum, it's freaking annoying. But while I was looking for this, I found something else. We're gonna be doing the big boys, 6-inch tips on it. I'm joking, obviously, but can you imagine, dude? I was hoping that the pipes would line up with the tips and we could crank it up, but the pipe is like oval and these won't slip over it. All right, guys, so all jokes aside, here is our new exhaust tips. We went with 4-inch black quads. It's gonna look so good. I gotta call the exhaust shop back in about 30 minutes, and they're gonna let me know if I can get it in today. Fingers crossed. Just gave it a quick wash. We're gonna go ahead and head towards the exhaust shop, cross our fingers and hope that they say they can get us in today. All right, guys, 3 days later, we are at the exhaust shop, 7:36. They open at 8, which is my appointment. Should supposedly be the first one on the rack, so hopefully get this knocked out quick because we've actually got a little road trip to go on today. It sounds good. We're about to go surprise Brett with it, see what he thinks. Had to get some exhaust clips though. Back from the Bahamas, got some Christmas specials.
Some Christmas specials
on the trail ball.
You do my tail lights. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, you put new tips on too.
Little tipskis.
Nice.
You gotta see them. Let me turn them on.
I like it.
So got the smoked Recon tails. Got you some white LEDs.
Oh yeah. I didn't even see that.
Yeah, they were yellow before.
Oh, so those are new tail lights, completely new.
Mm-hmm. Brand new.
What you seeing?
I got a freaking nail in my tire. What?
There's your whole nail right there. Makes it a lot better looking from the side profile.
You like that too?
You need to do is reverse light. That's what you need to do.
Huh?
The light at the top.
Top light?
Yeah.
Oh, third brake light.
Yeah, that's the next one we gotta do.
Yeah, it usually doesn't look that red. The sun shines straight on it. It usually looks darker.
It looks so different.
Right.
Love that.
Yeah.
Hey.
Is that my truck?
I hope not.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, Dad.
Thank you, babe.
You're so welcome. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Peace!